what happens when one of the world's most popular EVs gets a serious upgrade. You get the 2026 Tesla Model 3, sleeker, smarter, and sharper than ever. Whether you're already a Tesla fan or just EV curious, this one's worth a closer look. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, where we keep you up to speed on the latest in automotive tech. Design. Starting with design, the 2026 Model 3 gets a refresh that's more refined than radical. The front end has been smoothed out for better aerodynamics, and new lighting elements give it a more premium feel. Inside, it's even more minimalist, with fewer physical controls and a cleaner dash layout. Love it or hate it, it's modern and very Tesla. Performance. Now let's talk performance. The new Model 3 offers improved range and efficiency thanks to drivetrain tweaks and a lighter body. Acceleration is still quick, especially in the performance trim, and the ride feels more composed, with better suspension tuning. It's not just fast for an EV, it's fun to drive, too. Features and technology. Tech is where Tesla always pushes boundaries. The 2026 Model 3 features an upgraded infotainment system with faster response, better graphics, and expanded app support. The rear passengers now get their own display, and the interior sound insulation has been noticeably improved. Autopilot and full self-driving continue to evolve, though they're still optional and still not quite full autonomy. Conclusion. So, is the 2026 Model 3 still the EV to beat? It just might be, especially if you're after a clean design, solid range, and that unique Tesla tech experience. What do you think? Would you make the switch? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more smart, honest takes on the cars shaping the future. See you in the next one.